Testing. Mini DisplayPort Dual-Link DVI Adapter to Samsung monitor model number SyncMaster SA850. Connect the Dual-Link DVI cable from the SyncMaster SA850 monitor through the Mini DisplayPort to Dual-Link DVI Adapter to the Mac laptop. Works fine. But what makes it does not work sometimes? The Mini DisplayPort to Dual-Link DVI Adapter is equipped with USB cord. As you can see, the monitor does not work with the USB unplug. Plug in the USB plug of the Mini Dual-Link adapter to the USB port. The monitor works perfect.
Then removing it.
Unplugging the USB plug of the Mini Dual-Link adapter to the USB port. The monitor screen turns blank. By the time the USB is unplugged, the monitor continues to search for any signal through all its ports.
Putting it back.
This short video demonstration is to show that the Mini DisplayPort to Dual-Link DVI adapter, the USB plug should be plugged into like the mini port plug to a Mac computer.